Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin.
The fun-loving folks at Exploding Kittens are at it again with the launch of new screenless games this month. Throw Throw Avocade, Exploding Minions, and Exploding Kittens Recipes for Disaster. The company has roots in the video game industry and does have apps as well, but has become a sensation through some wacky humor and the growing popularity of game nights. Marketing manager Josh Weaver says the new Recipes for Disaster game really unleashes the creativity of players.
Inside the box itself, we've done a couple different things. One, we've included what we call recipe booklets. Now, each of these recipe booklets inside has an entirely new way to play Exploding Kittens.
Players can come up with their own playing recipes too. Find more at explodingkittens.com.
You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Cooking with the power of the sun. Hi, I'm Fred Fishkin, here to tell you about the latest innovation from my friend Patrick Sherwin and his great team at GoSun Stove. The GoSun Fusion has arrived using the company's tried and true reflectors and a solar vacuum tube to get you cooking without the mess of charcoal, heavy propane tanks, or smoke. A really bright idea. And with an optional solar panel and battery storage and the ability to plug in at home or on the road, you really can use the GoSun Fusion to cook anytime and anywhere, day or night, rain or shine. I love what Patrick and his team are doing, and so will you. Want to learn more? Head to gosun.co to check out all of the company's products and innovations, and use the code Techstination to save 10%. That's gosun.co.